morning to all. Today let me see about microcontroller. First we have to know about what is microcontroller. Here the microcontroller is a small computer or a microcomputer. Okay, so microcontroller is used to execute a specific task with all components of microprocessor. Okay, so here the microcontroller is acting as a mini computer or a small computer. So what is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller means here in microprocessor we are having a CPU, that is arithmetic and logical unit, with program counter, stack pointer, clock circuit, interrupt circuit. But in addition to that, in microcontroller we are having internal ROM, IO ports, interrupt circuits, timer or counter, a clock, then internal RAM. This is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Then in addition to that, here how we have to differentiate the microprocessor and microcontroller means. In microprocessor we are having general purpose registers, stack pointer, program counter, clock timing circuits, then interrupt circuits, etc. But in microcontroller we are having, in addition to microprocessor, we are having ROM, RAM, IO devices, timers, counters, etc. Then what is the other difference between microprocessor and microcontroller means? It has many instructions to move data between memory and CPU in microprocessor, but microcontroller need only few instructions to move data between memory and CPU. Then here in microprocessor we are having only single memory mapping for data and code, but in microcontroller we need a separate memory mapping for data as well as the code. So that is the main difference. Then the access time for memory and IO are more in microprocessor, but here in microcontroller the accessing time is very less because here the memory size is very less. So that is the next difference. Then and the microprocessor based system requires additional hardware because that is designed for a common purpose, general purpose. So it requires additional hardware to solve all kind of problems. But again microprocessor in microprocessor we need only less amount of hardware because it is designed for only a particular application, no? So it requires only a few hardwares. Next, while design in microprocessor it's more flexible because there we are having additional hardwares, then they are having a common memory mapping for program and code, etc. So here the flexibility is more and more, but in microcontroller here the flexibility is very less compared with microprocessor because here memory size is very less. Next we are having only listed hardwares. So within that we have to write the entire system or application. So here the flexibility is very less compared with the microprocessor. So this is the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. Next let me see about the architecture diagram of 8051 microcontroller.